What does a home protection plan protect the buyer from? What does it not protect them from?
So obviously that is a very good question. I think before we launch into that on any meaningful level, I know we've got a lot of different people coming from different backgrounds here today. So I like to answer this question because it's one of the questions that especially first-time buyers have more often than not. What is the difference between homeowners insurance and home warranty? And so I will answer that this way before I get into like what's covered so that everybody kind of understands this. So homeowners insurance will, homeowners insurance by names like Farmers, State Farm, maybe Mercury, maybe Progressive, these names, right? So this is the type of coverage when you have something like secondary damage. Let's take a dishwasher, okay? So let's say that the dishwasher has a mechanical failure and it floods the kitchen, causing secondary damage. Secondary damage is one of the key determination factors between setting the two types of insurance apart. So let's remember that. So the dishwasher, unfortunately, after the buyer moves in, has this failure. The buyer, ran the dishwasher overnight. They came down in the morning. It's all flooded. You've got all this stuff going on. So the secondary damage is not covered by home warranty, American Home Shield, or any of our competitors. The secondary damage, all those things that are part of the cleanup, if you will, and the restoration company that's going to come out with the fans and all of that, and the cabinetry that might need to be replaced, and drywall and painting and floors and all that would be covered by your homeowner's insurance, okay? They will not, if the dishwasher needs to be repaired or replaced, they're not part of that. So although they will, make everything looks nice, they're actually not going to take care of the problem that created the secondary damage in the situation. So that's where home warranty comes into play. And home warranty is likely not also not going to cover the secondary damage, but we're going to have eligibility for the homeowner under the terms and conditions of the contract, which I'll talk about in 1 second, to repair or replace that dishwasher. So back to like your question, what does it cover? What does it not cover? So it's not as complicated as people want to make it out to be, okay? I'm going to speak in very simple terms, but what is covered is, there's different plans. We have 3 different plans, good, better, best. When you're buying a home, you can choose if you just want like what we call the basic plan, that just is like the critical systems in the home, no appliances. You can choose the middle plan, which does include the appliances and the critical systems. And when I'm talking about critical systems, I'm talking about AC, heating, plumbing, electrical, and then you would add on your various appliances, dishwasher, stove, oven, cooktop, microwave, washer, dryer, refrigerator, those types of things. And then our third plan, which is the most comprehensive plan, is the upgraded plan, which just enhances all of those things. And we do have the add-on options as well as pool and spa, guest house and roof, septic and well pump, and those types of things. So what happens? So a buyer moves into the property, and what makes a claim eligible for what is covered under these contracts, and it's typically a 1-year contract, and it starts at close of escrow. So the buyer moves in, okay, and it's a week after close of escrow, and lo and behold, it's hot out, it's 105 degrees, and the AC stops working, and they're like, darn it, the inspector said it was working, and the seller didn't tell me anything, and now it's not working, and I'm hot, and I've got a baby, and I've got this, and I've got that. And so, they might call their realtor because they forgot that they've got this home warranty, but they want to yell at someone because maybe paid more for the house than they wanted to, and they're mad. Hey, Mr. Realtor, Mr. Gross, thank you so much for helping me buy this house, but guess what? The AC, oh, well, don't worry, you'll say. You've got your home warranty. You can go right online with American Home Shield, or you can call customer service. They have a 24/7, 365 customer service line, or you can go right online and process your claim. And under the terms and conditions of their contract, they will be out within 24 to 36 hours. and they will take care of that claim. So does that give you a high level overview of what's covered?
Yeah. Yeah.